For a world of freedom. The Friedrich Naumann Foundation for Freedom, FNF, is the foundation for liberal politics in the Federal Republic of Germany. It aims to promote the goal of making the principle of freedom valid for the dignity of all people and in all areas of society, both in Germany and abroad. Established in 1958 in Germany, we now have offices in more than 50 countries all across the globe. FNF Bangladesh provides civic education on liberal principles with activities on free market economy, good governance, and digital transformation. We are working for freedom in Bangladesh since 2012, registered under the Bangladesh NGO Affairs Bureau.
University of Liberal Arts Bangladesh is a private university based in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. It is commonly known as ULAB. It is a research-driven institute that has incorporated values of liberal arts and sustainability into its curricula and co-curricular activities. In November 2003, the university started its journey after receiving the approval of Grants Commission of Bangladesh. ULAB objectifies empowerment through enabling the students to think critically and communicate effectively.
Innovation as a response to change. Change is constant. Freedom means change, and there is no better time to change than now. Sticking to the same values and dedication towards freedom, the Friedrich Naumann Foundation for Freedom, FNF, is reconstructing its strategy across the globe to fine-tune its messages and reinforce its campaign for freedom amid threats to liberal values. FNF identifies itself as a creative, innovative platform because innovation is the most liberal response to change. Today, 21st of April, is World Creativity and Innovation Day. We would like to highlight projects we did focusing on creativity and innovation in 2020 with our partner, University of Liberal Arts Bangladesh, ULAB.
The registration process was simple and online based. We had promoted the course through Dhaka International Mobile Film Festival's official Facebook page and shared the registration form there. Due to COVID, most of the students were experiencing a difficult time. To give them a meaningful engagement online, we opted for this course, and the response was overwhelming. We wanted to show them that filmmaking process is not that difficult. All it needs creative thinking and discipline. At the end of the course, the participants were asked to finish one 1-minute film and submit it at Dhaka International Mobile Film Festival 2021. This course lesson plan followed both synchronous and asynchronous styles. We uploaded reading materials, videos, assignments on Google Classroom and took live class every week on Google Meet. On the live session, participants asked questions regarding homework, assignments, and other filmmaking related topics. Every week, there was an instructor who discussed with them on the class topic, and the moderator answered their queries and guided them. We recorded every live Google Meet session and later uploaded them on the classroom so that the participants could go through them again. Since it was a crash course, we have tried our level best to incorporate all the basics of filmmaking, such as how to tell visual stories, write script, and storyboards. From there, we focused on how to design pre-production, what are the checklists for production, then shooting and post-production, which means editing, sound design, adding subtitles, and credit lines. We have also taught them how to design their film's poster. The course materials were designed in a way so that they can independently shoot their own film. We hosted the course's opening session on Zoom and live streamed it from Dhaka International Mobile Film Festival's Facebook page. As I have mentioned earlier, our every session was recorded. Regarding the homework, we are absolutely clear that every participant had to submit their work before the next class. Otherwise, they were not allowed to be promoted for the following week. Since there was no competition, grades actually didn't matter. Our prime focus was to make the course interesting and engaging so that they could learn something truly. The response was overwhelming. Total number of 1,080 students registered for this course from all over Bangladesh. From there, we had selected 146 students. Among them, finally 61 participants submitted their film. At the closing ceremony of the online mobile filmmaking course, we declared regarding the FNF liberal theme-based competition to them, and almost 30 participants took part in it. After going through all their videos, we selected 12 best 1-minute film. An independent jury board watched those and selected the best 3 from there, who have received KindMaster app 6 months free subscription.
The Department of Media Studies and Journalism, MSJ, of ULAF and Frederick Naumann Foundation for Freedom, FNF Bangladesh, jointly organized the e-talk on using mobile technology to cover vulnerable groups in a pandemic. It was an online seminar where we discussed the digital transformation in the journalism profession, especially in the news gathering process. Around 100 participants joined the webinar from different parts of the country, and it was a free admission for all interested participants. It was a 1-hour online seminar followed by question-answer session. ULAP's head of MSJ department, Dr. Professor Jude William Henilo, started the webinar with his welcome speech, while FNF Bangladesh's country representative, Dr. Nazmul Hossain, spoke about the significant role of journalists during the ongoing pandemic. During the webinar, the speakers discussed the necessity of using mobile technology during the pandemic from a journalistic and communication perspective. Each of the speakers agreed that the media sector of the country is also changing with technological development. Participants receive first-hand experiences from industry peoples, understand the impact of mobile technologies on journalism, especially during the COVID period, create a networking platform where participants joined and share their opinions in order to do better journalism using mobile technologies.
We will organize mobile journalism trainings for journalists and filmmaking workshops for students again this year. We will try enhancing the capacity of journalists and students. We want to provide a platform for youth to be creative.